Did you know a washed-up tennis player saved her entire life with one match at the Olympics? Jennifer Capriati was only 22, but everyone said she was done. She had been a teenage tennis superstar, but 3 years of legal troubles and personal struggles destroyed her career. Most people thought she would never play again. But secretly, Capriati was training harder than ever for the 1992 Barcelona Olympics. She was facing players who used to have her poster on their bedroom walls. The media called it a desperate comeback attempt. Then came the final against Steffi Graf, the world's #1 player. Nobody gave Capriati a chance, but she played like her life depended on it, because it did. Point by point, she outfought the greatest player in the world. When she won the gold medal, Capriati broke down crying during the ceremony. This wasn't just about tennis anymore. That Olympic gold saved her career and her personal life. She went on to win multiple Grand Slam titles. Sometimes one moment can change everything.